Hi, M6193. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Irene Montesinos, 30 years old. Um, 30 years old. I am Roman Catholic, single, don't have any child, not yet married. Then unfortunately, I didn't finish my 4 years course in college. I took only 3 years of it.
Of what course?
In bachelor in information technology.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
I'll have my experience here in Philippines from 2014 to 2016. I serve a family of six, two adults, four children, ages 4 years old, 6 years old, and twins, 16 years old.
Okay, 4 years old, 10 years old, and the twins, right?
4 years old, 10 years old, and the twins, 16
Okay.
years old.
And other household chores that you do?
Well, my main duties there is included the main chores like cleaning, general cleaning, cooking, tutoring their child, then taking care of their pets. However, my main duties is to take care of the child because
Okay.
they are working
The
boldly.
both parents
Yeah.
are working,
Yeah.
so that's why you are the one who took care of the
Yes.
children. And you're taking care of pets. You already told me, right? What
Yes.
kind of pets do you take care?
I take care only dog because I have asthma in cat. But other than that, I'm okay with all animals.
Okay, so you have an allergy on the cat,
Yeah, I have
but
an
it's okay to
asthma.
you to take care of a
Yes,
dog,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. How many dogs do you take care?
I take care of total of three dogs.
3 dogs.
Yes.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, since I have now my niece, it's okay for me.
Okay, so you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a
Yes.
newborn, right? Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do? If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Firstly, I think I check their temperature. If they have a fever, maybe their stomach is have an ache, then check their diaphragm. If it's maybe they're full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will call and notify their parents, my employer, that the
Okay.
baby didn't stop to cry.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Mainly the first reason is they have um, high salary, and then Hong Kong is the safest workplace to work in.
Okay, safest country to work for a
Yeah,
domestic
yeah,
helper, right?
yeah.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or until my employer need me.
So
I
it's
will
okay to
be-
extend it,
yeah.
right? Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Honestly, I don't have, but I think I can ask them how to, what they prepare me to cook for them. Then watching YouTube or reading some menu books about their food.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share job with the helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday, it is okay to you to work.
yes, absolutely yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
yes.
Only dogs,
Yeah.
right? But cats.
Actually, all the animals excluding the cats because I have an asthma.
Okay. How
But-
about taking care of elderly?
Yes,
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
yes, I'm eager to learn.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, kindly and please choose me or hire me. I am committed to work that I applied for. I am responsible to what job do you want me to do, and then I am willingly and I love your family as I am.
As your own family?
Yes, as I am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Irene.
Thank you. Have a nice
Okay.
day.
Have a nice day.